done a statement. We came here to the DCI as members of parliament, senators, most of them who had accompanied the second deputy president, regarding Gachagua, to a funeral service in Bibirioni, Limuru constituency. We came here for two things. One, we are asking the whereabouts of one former MP of Limuru, Honorable Peter Mwadi, who was abducted today when the burial was still going on. Today, we witnessed something that nobody has ever imagined. That the second deputy president, where he was seated at the VIP tent, about 200 to 300 goons who never came from Limuru. They were ferried. They came by buses. And we even have videos of them getting money from some those who are organizing it. And that's why we had come here. Because we have to look for justice. For one, regarding Gachagua, our second deputy president. Two, the former MP, Peter Mwadi of Limuru. And the NCA for Bibirioni, Honorable Mkuu. But when we got here, for the first time, the DCI director wants to interview us at the gate. He's asking, what do you want? But we wanted to access the office so that we can give our information, our statement, and he takes notes. When we insisted on getting into his office, he walked away. This is a country that we are living in. That he walked away when the honorable members are here, the people from Kiambu and from all over. Because we are here, leaders of today, leaders of yesterday, and also leaders of tomorrow. We were here. So my point is, we want to ask the DCI, please, you know you are the Subaru men. Mr. Mwadi was taken by a Subaru. Please return Peter Mwadi to his house. The wife is here, the children are here, and of course, they want their father and their husband back. Lastly, we want to insist, as the Senator of Kiambu, and the MPs who are here, and the senators who are here, we will not be cowards. We will not stop. We will go. But I ask the people of Mount Kenya and the people across the country, refuse to be misused to harm a brother. Because today, I saw it with my own eyes. They were trying to assassinate one regarding Gachagua. They took the metal bus from the tents. They hit his car several times. And they were aiming at the left side of the vehicle. The back left, the seat. But thankfully, he was seated on the right. So today, what we're speaking today, we could be speaking about something different. Today was an assassination attempt for regarding Gachagua. And we ask the president and the security, please, it's not a prayer, it's not a request, it's not a privilege. We want you to give back the security to regarding Gachagua that you took 2 days.
There is no way he's going to fight the mountain. We have resolved this problem we must go. He is now coming to value. La pili, haya mambo tuliyaona 2007. It started in 20 days and eventually we ended up with a country that was sisi watu wa Murima tunakaa pamoja and we will not allow that to happen. Not from the mwisho ni kwamba we have a resolve that it does not matter what kind of intimidation that he brings upon us, it will not stop us from achieving that mission. Having Mrs. Mwadi here in the night because his husband has been abducted. Na serikali is an embarrassment. It's a thing that we never thought we would ever see again, not under our new constitution. And the worst of it all, ni kwamba walimchukua kwa mazishi. walisika mwenye tulikuwa tunaenda kusika hapo walibeba. So it's a very, I want to join my colleagues, the leaders who are here, members of parliament, members of senate, in calling for the release of Mwathi. We will be in court with lawyers, we will join them to ensure that he is released. And also talk to people across the country and especially from the mountain to ensure that the Ruto does not succeed. We should have only one result. Ruto is back. Kuna kitu kitu. But we